On Sunday, June 21st, 3 quiet moves just changed how you'll ship infrastructure, access data, and trust every AI skill file. The biggest? One tool makes the VPN obsolete for database access. And that's only the beginning. Unmold.dev gives you a lightweight private registry that lets you publish Terraform or OpenTofu modules directly from CI. Immutable artifacts land in your own cloud storage, and it works with GitHub Actions, GitLab, Jenkins, whatever you already run. No more fighting strict semantic versioning just to iterate fast. That means teams ship infrastructure changes in minutes, not days. Teleport scrapped the VPN tunnel entirely. Engineers now connect to databases over a certificate-based link that signs every query with their identity. Audit logs finally show exactly who ran that delete statement, which makes compliance audits and incident forensics a whole lot simpler. SkillsGuard is a pre-commit hook that scans AI agent skill packages for suspicious patterns. It decodes obfuscation, runs over 100 rules, and blocks malicious skill.md files before they merge. That stops hidden reverse shells from sneaking into your pipeline through a trusted agent. 3 separate fixes, one direction. Removing the weak points that slow you down and hide what's actually happening. With modules, databases, and AI skills all getting cleaner controls, the next question is, what else in your pipeline is still running on borrowed trust?